Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm back with an unboxing from BABALA bags. The code should be in the description box. And here go the box. The Louis Vuitton box is what I got. Here go the ribbon. They wrapped it up just nice and good. This one kind of looked like a bag that I had, but it got thrown away. So I ordered maybe another one. But they sent me another one. And this is how the front look, leather. Here go the inside. It came with a crossbody strap.
That's nice.
Pretty.
Okay. Well, this is nice.
And then it came with the buckle.
Here's
the strap. Here's the inside.
It's nice. Don't have a harsh smell or anything, y'all.
Yeah, it smells nice.
Look at that. Got a pocket on the back. Oh, we do. Yeah. That's nice. Okay.
I'm not even sure if my other one had a pocket on the back, but I love the purse.
Okay, y'all, make sure y'all check out BABALA bags.
Yes.
She will be linking their website down below, and she will also be linking the promo code. That right here says Louis Vuitton on it too, which y'all gonna see it. On the little buckles. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.